which is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 7x, then plus 49. Then we factorize the first sum, that is x is common here, so x, then x plus 7 plus 7 is common here, so x plus 7, and x plus 7 is common here again, so this is just x plus 7 remaining with x, then plus 7. Or you could say x plus 7 squared. X squared minus 144 is in a special case that we named as the difference of two squares, right? Because this is x squared, then 144 as mentioned there is 12 multiplied by 12. Okay, so we could write this as x squared minus 12 squared. Okay, and this is in the standard form that we know for the difference of two squares, and we do not need to do anything. All we need to write is x minus 12 multiplied by x plus 12, right? So see, we have x squared minus 14x plus 49, right? The product is 49, that is the coefficient of x squared, 1 multiplied by 49, and the sum is negative 14, right? But we said the factors are the factors of our product, which is just negative 7 and negative 7 itself. So we can go ahead and write negative 14 as the sum of these numbers. So this is x squared minus 7x minus 7x, then plus 49, right? We can go ahead and factorize. This is x minus 7. Here I factor out negative 7. Negative 7, this is x minus 7. Okay? So x minus 7 is common here. I factor it out. So this is x minus 7 into x minus 7. So that is a repeated factor. So we could just write it as x minus 7 squared. We have x squared plus 6x is equal to 0, and 4x squared minus 9 equal to 0. So all we need to do is factor out x, right? So we can write x squared plus 6x as x, that is x plus 6, and this is equal to 0. Then we can use the zero factor principle. So therefore, this implies x is equal to 0, or x is plus 6 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to negative 6, or x is equal to 0. And sometimes you may be asked to represent your solution as a quadrant, right? Use a comma. So this is just the same as 0, negative 6, because we can write 4x squared minus 9 as 2x to the power 2 minus 3 squared, because we have written this expression as the difference of numbers that we have squared. So we can go ahead and write this as 2x, right, minus 3. And for us to get that, we need to say 2x plus 3. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 3 over 2, x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So the perimeter of this quadrangle is 43, right? So the question is, 43 centimeters. The question is, find the length of each side. When we come to this figure, we are saying that this guy plus this guy plus this guy plus this guy, they should add up to what? 43. Then let us do that. Then say like terms together and then solve for x. So we are saying perimeter is just sum of sides, right? So we have x squared plus the sum of all those guys, right? We only have one x squared, so this is x squared, right? Now look at 2x. Negative 2x and negative 2x goes away, right? That is 2x and negative 2x goes away. We only have x and x. So we can say plus 2x, right? Now we are done with all the constant terms on the left side. We have 9 here, minus 4, which is 5, right? Then 5 plus what? Plus 3, which is 8. Okay. So this is plus 8 is equal to 43. We have two constants, right? So we can we can reduce both sides by 43 so that we have x squared plus 2x, that is 8 minus 43, right? Which is what? Negative 35 equal to 0. The idea is, first of all, what is the product? The product is negative 35, right? And the sum is 2. So what numbers can we multiply to get negative 35? 7 and 5. But 5 needs to be negative because this is positive, right? So we can go ahead and do that. So this is just x minus 5 and x plus 7. This is equal to 0. Okay. Solving this equation now, negative 5 x plus 7 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 7. Okay. But we are dealing with, we're dealing with distance, right? So we cannot say x is negative 7. We need to pick a positive one. Okay? So this is the value of x. So we're just one step away, right? Okay. So what do we do now? The question is, find the length of each side. So therefore, using x equal to 5, the length with x plus 9 is equal to what? Will just be 5 plus 9, which is 14. We go to the next one. The length with x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Okay? And the other one is 2x minus 4 is equal to, so 2 until 5 minus 4. That is 10, right? So which is 6. Okay? And the side with x squared minus 2x, this is just x squared minus 2x, which is equal to 5 squared minus 2 into 5, right? This looks like what? This looks like 25 minus 10, right? Which is just 15. Okay. Right, so you have this. Then when you have that, you don't hit done, right? We have to verify. Do these numbers sum to 43, right? So what is 15 plus 6 plus 8 plus plus 14. 43. Okay, so if this sums to that, then we are good to go.